What's up, everybody? What's up, Soul Squad? Hello to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my kitchen. You saw the thumbnail, and it's written on the wall. Written, I almost fell. Written on the wall. I lost my balance. Can you imagine me going down? Oh my God. Okay. French toast casserole. Don't do too many breakfast videos, but hey, why not? Hey guys, if you're watching this video, and if you like this video, let's give this video thumbs up. A lot of positive comments, guys. And guess what? Hit that bell to be notified. So when you want to get a good recipe, you want to know what I'm doing in my kitchen, you got to get that notification. Without that being said, let's get started. I'm going to tell you everything that we need to do. This is a French toast casserole. So when you think about French toast, think about, white sliced bread, Texas toast bread, which I always recommend to you guys that I like using. But for a casserole, you need something a little bit more thicker, something that's going to soak up all the juices of the flavor of your mix. So I had some white French bread, some white French bread, and we're going to open this up. Why is she shouting? Why am I shouting? I don't know. Am I shouting? Oh, why am I shouting? Okay. I don't know. Got my little tray at the bottom, guys. Clean up tray. And I do have an extra one just in case. But all I need is two. It smells so good. I bought this bread a couple of days ago. Okay, guys, just to let you know, you will need the French toast bread, sometimes something thick, some type of brioche bread, French rolls, French bread, some eggs, some half and half, some cinnamon, some sugar, and some vanilla, and of course, your favorite pan. Let me cut this up. You're just gonna cut your bread like this. Oh guys, and did I forget to mention, this is a collab video. If anybody look, and no, everybody look at YouTube just about, but if you guys watch YouTube and you know a young lady in New York named My Full Figure Life, check her video out right here. This is a collab, me and her collabing together on this video, French toast casserole in her kitchen, her way. French toast casserole in my kitchen, my way, guys. So yeah, I was supposed to hook up with Ashley. Oh, it's gonna be down below. My Full Figure Life, way back in May. But as the fate has it, I didn't make it to New York. I'm just cutting the bread in half like this, guys. Slice it and cut it in half. I didn't make it to New York, and a couple of weeks ago, she hit me up and said, girl, let's make this collab happen. And, she came up, let's do breakfast. And this is where we're at. We're doing French toast casseroles. I'm going to finish chopping this bread up. See? And just slice it, chop it. And with this recipe, it's going to sit in the refrigerator. Let me see. You can do it the day before, put it in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight. Do it early in the morning, the same day, the way I'm doing, and let it just sit for a couple of hours, at least a good 3 to 4 hours. So you can come back, put it in the oven, 350 for like 30 to 40 minutes. Man, I'm gonna put this amazing crumble on top. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be terrific, guys. Terrific. And I'm just cutting. Everybody loves French toast. My kids love French toast. Got a French toast casserole. We're gonna chop up this one. I'm getting all my bread. Everything. I do not recommend regular white bread for this. It's too thin. It don't have the thickness that you're gonna need so that your what I wanna call it, your base, your milk and egg base just soak to slop it all up. But we'll be back. I'm gonna cut up this one, and then we'll be back to finish it up. Okay, guys, we're back. Let's make our casserole. Let's make our custard. And we're gonna start off with eggs. And I hope I got enough here, because I'm gonna use about 8 eggs. I had a large family, so you can like tweak this recipe, for you and your family size. How many? 2 French rolls was good enough for me. Yeah. I I think I'm gonna go in with 9 eggs. I just want to make sure I have enough custard. Okay, enough custard. And you're gonna make this casserole. It's basically almost the same like making French toast, but you're just using a different type of bread, using a lot more eggs because the bread is thick. You know, stick it off to the side. I'm going in with half and half. You can use half and half. You can use milk. You can use half and half, some cream, but I prefer half and half. About 2 cups of this. Remember, I'm an eyeballer. If you need to measure, guys, measure your stuff, okay? I don't need to do that. I'm going in with some tablespoons of cinnamon. I like cinnamon. Three teaspoons of cinnamon for making this, okay? Going in with a little bit of white sugar. Hey, my sugar be having those lumps. Oh. And this is about like 1 tablespoon, okay? 1 tablespoon of sugar, that's all you need. And some vinegar. Don't put no vinegar in your French toast. I meant some vanilla. 1, 2, ooh, heavy-handed there. About 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And at this point, all you're gonna do is mix. This is your custard base for your French toast. 9 eggs, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, a tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And if you got some nutmeg on hand, which I thought I did, guys, add in like a teaspoon of nutmeg. Oh my God, the flavor. And you want to make sure you get that custard nice and stirred up and mixed. You can't go wrong with this. You just can't. And don't worry about having butter and all that stuff, because when I make my strudel on top with the butter, brown sugar, and flour, oh my God, that butter is going to melt all down inside there. Okay, that's it. That's all. Now watch this. Sit that to the side. Put everything to the side. Bring over my bread. And you're just going to pour it. There's no method to it. And make sure it's all covered. There's nothing for you to do. That's it. You see how the cinnamon? Oh, I wasted some on the side, but that's okay. See how the cinnamon got all on there and everything? Yes. That look amazing. And it's going to soak it all up. Give me a spatula. We'll be right back. So guys, let's take a spatula and just move stuff around in it. But look how the cinnamon that was in there. And if you want some more cinnamon, hey, sprinkle a little bit more cinnamon on top. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you. It's your kitchen. I just give you the foundation on how to make it. Let's just move it around. You want to make sure everything gets some of that. Ooh, some of that French toast goodness. That custard. You want everything just to be all custard up. Look at that. And by being nice and thick, it's not breaking up. It's not losing its structure. It's going to soak in all this goodness. You just want to make sure all your bread gets some of this. Look at the cinnamon. Tell me, oh, your family's going to love this Christmas morning. A good Christmas morning breakfast, man, a Saturday morning breakfast. And that's it, that's all. Gonna take some aluminum foil. Doesn't matter. Any type of aluminum foil. Any brand. In the refrigerator for overnight or at least a good 4 hours. I'm doing at least a good 4 hours with mine. Come back, 4 hours. Make sure you guys have make my strudel with the butter again. The butter, the brown sugar, the flour. Sprinkle it on top of here. Put it in the oven on 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. breathless. We'll be back to finish this video in a couple of hours. Okay, guys, I am back. It's been a couple of hours again. If you make this recipe the night before, you can let it sit overnight. If you do it early enough, it can sit for like 4 hours or so in the refrigerator. So I'm going to make my crumble, my strudel, which is just some flour, brown sugar, and butter. Yeah, and it smells so good. As soon as I pull the little foil off top, it just smells good. A strudel is easy to make. It's a crumble that's going on top of your on top of this. Then I'm gonna make some butter warm syrup and spread the syrup on top. So guys, a young lady, my full bigger life, who I'm collabing in this video with, she is an amazing cook and caterer out of New York. Her channel is awesome. Let me say awesome sauce in the description below, guys. I really love her channel. I've been watching her for like, oh my God, a year. And I'm so excited about this collab with her. Yes. Can't wait till you guys go over and meet her. Say hello. This is my crumble. And the crumble is easy. The butter was nice and soft. This is where all that butter gonna come in at on the top of your French toast. Yes, guys. So show my full figure life some love. Look her up. Pick the link. Tell her how much you love the collab. It's just my French toast casserole, my way in my kitchen, hers her way in her kitchen. Yes. Two self-taught home cooks doing what they do best is cook for family and friends. Look at the strudel. It's going to be amazing. And it's going to be, I'm not going to put a whole lot because I'm going to melt down some syrup with a piece of unsalted butter, and when it's done, pour all on top of it. So yeah, and here go my strudel. I won't even be using all of this, but the butter's gonna get in there. That strudel gonna get on top. I got my oven preheated, yeah, and the brown sugar. This look amazing, and I'm telling you, I'm a very picky eater. Besides my grandma, may she rest in peace, and my aunt Lorraine and my mother, it's very few people food that I eat as far as like a home cook. Man, her stuff be looking so amazing. I know I would eat her food. I mean, with not even a question. She has this macaroni and cheese. Oh my goodness, guys, let's check her out. She's wonderful. I ain't never seen nobody make better macaroni and cheese look good than me. But guess what? Me and her right there. Now, I look like I said, every time I watch her cook, I be like, I'll eat that macaroni. I don't eat everybody's macaroni. Okay, there it is. I didn't use all of it, just most of it. I didn't want to use it all. I didn't want to make it too sweet because I'm going to put that butter syrup on it in the oven on 350 for like 30 to 40 minutes. Depends on how much I want it to absorb. And we'll be right back when this is done. Looks amazing. It smells wonderful. Family will love this. Okay, Soul Squad, we are back. Look at that. My house smells so amazing. Look at this. Look, come there, cameraman. Look at the butter that came off the crumble. Nice and buttery. And right here, I have some syrup. Melted butter syrup that I'm going to pull on here, guys. It is French toast. Oh, my goodness. Oh, this smells so amazing. You don't even have to use. Oh, look at that. French toast casserole with the butter syrup on top. I'm going to get a spoon and a dish, and we're going to dig in. And guys, as it sits, it's going to soak up all of that syrup. Just take your spoon, go in. You don't have to worry about putting no syrup on it, because the syrup is already here. And the French toast, look how gooey that is. Oh my goodness. I don't have a fork. I need a fork. Look at that French toast casserole. Look at that. Get you some bacon, the salty, the sweetness. With this combined, make you smack 10 mothers. Give me that fork. There go my son. He dropped the fork. It wasn't meant to have a bowl. I go from a plaster, a metal to a plastic, but that's okay. Oh my goodness. The butter. Oh my God. Guys, this is amazing. It tastes so good. Like, share, subscribe. To the next video, go check out my full figure life, her kitchen, her way, and the description in description below. Oh my God, tell her I said hi. That is so good.